Alrighty, good people. Now, as you can see right here, the tomato plant is in the production phase. And it's about time that we start pruning and preparing for the season ahead.
If you find yourself frustrated and wondering how you can grow your tomatoes the right way, well, I have a quick guide just for you. By the end of this video, you'll find yourself satisfied. Please consider subscribing to the Boys YouTube channel. Let's get started.
So, now, when you're growing your tomato plants, you don't want to grow leaves. So, the size of this tomato plant right here, it's approximately 3 weeks old. So, what you're going to do right now here is prune from the bottom. Now, as you can see, I've pruned the excess leaves and branches from the bottom so that the energy and the nutrients can focus on the tomatoes right here. So what you're gonna do is look for branches like this one here. Now, this branch right here is forcing the plant to extend and grow more tomatoes. Now, what it's doing right now is delaying the process of our harvest. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna snip it off. It's easy as done like that, and the tomato plant will carry on producing these tomatoes right here and these tomatoes right here. So now the focus is on the tomato production, and that's what we need. We do not need these branches because if we continue with these branches growing on the same tree as the tomatoes, it's delaying the tomatoes from growing and ripening. So basically a branch is a division of nutrients. So we do not want that.
Quick pause. I'm actually planning to turn this into a series. Let me know in the comments what subject I should touch on.
So the production phase here will continue and carry on, and it will proceed with growing these tomatoes because the nutrients are not separated from the tomatoes and extended to the branch. Now we are expecting 3 sets of tomatoes. This is 1 set. Now this is 2 set, and the third one here. Now the branch that I snipped off was going to delay these 2 sets here and here because the nutrients were breaking off here and separating, so they were not going to be enough for the tomatoes that are going to be produced here. So what would have happened was, it's either these flowers from this section were going to die, or the tomatoes will not be reaching nutrients and eventually not becoming any mature. So this is the take on the advice that I wanted to share with you today on the tomatoes. Please like and subscribe on the Boys YouTube channel for more advices like this one. Now remember, first step, we let the plant grow. As soon as you see your first set of tomato flowers, you then look for branches like this. Now you're going to see them starting small like this one right here. You see this one right here? You're going to see them start like this one. You can snip them off. And this one here. You can see. Now, there's another trick to grow more tomatoes. It said that if you put this thing in water, it is going to produce roots, and after producing roots, you can then plant it in your garden. Now for me, I haven't actually tried the method yet, so in future maybe I'll drop a video where I do the method and show you how it's done.
We've come to the end of our first video. Please consider subscribing to the channel so that you don't miss our new video. Thank you.